In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a good LinkedIn headline. Your LinkedIn headline is often the first impression you make in the professional world, so let's make sure it's a strong one. We'll start by heading over to LinkedIn, so go ahead and open your browser and type in linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in. You can do this quickly using Google or Microsoft, or just enter your email and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication for added security, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your account with a code sent to your phone. It's a simple step, but it keeps your information safe. Once you're logged in, locate the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Click on it, and then from the drop-down menu, select View Profile. This will take you to your personal LinkedIn profile page. To start editing your profile, look for the pencil icon near your profile picture and click on it. This allows you to start making changes to your profile information, including your headline. Now, within the edit page, scroll down until you find the headline section. This is where you'll begin crafting your new headline. Your headline is an opportunity to immediately establish your professional identity, so make sure it clearly communicates who you are and what you do. Start by including your current job title. For instance, you might want to say CEO, COO, or Senior Vice President, depending on your role. However, if your title doesn't fully capture your expertise or your career goals, feel free to adjust it, but always ensure it's truthful and not misleading. In addition to your title, emphasize key skills where you excel. These skills should be relevant either to your current role or to your future career aspirations. By highlighting these areas, you provide a clearer picture of your expertise and how you can bring value to potential connections or employers. Including a specific achievement in your headline is another great strategy. Quantifying your impact with a specific number or measurable result can enhance your credibility. For example, you might include something like led a team to achieve a 20% increase in sales within 1 year. Concrete achievements like these not only demonstrate your abilities, but also make you stand out in a sea of profiles. Once you're satisfied with your new headline, remember to click on either Save or Done to lock in your changes. Congratulations, you've updated your LinkedIn headline to reflect your professional identity and achievements more effectively. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step towards making a powerful first impression on LinkedIn.